2008 Chrysler Town And Country. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the starter on a 3.3 V6. First step is to disconnect the negative and positive battery terminals. Second step, go underneath the car. The starter will be right here. So you got two connectors. This one is a 13mm nut that everything's already loose. I just wanted to walk you guys through it. Take that nut off. Tuck this connector back somewhere right there. And you have that yellow wire that you just pull it out and it looks like that. Once you pull that out, the starter is held in by 3 bolts. They're all different sizes. And if you look back here, you got 1 and 2. I think this one is a 14, and I think that's a 13, or 15 and 14. Yeah, it's a 15mm. That's a 14mm. And if you look on the top, you got another bolt right there. Sorry about that. Right there. You see that nut? So you need to remove that. I think that's a 13mm. Let's see if I'm right. 13mm. So you can use a regular socket and an extension. Slide it underneath. Be careful with when you use your ratchet. It's gonna hit this connector right here. This one. When you use your ratchet, so just be careful not to damage that. Let's see. Okay, so you can reach from the back under that exhaust manifold. So take that nut off. That's a 13mm. Then you'll have a ground wire right here. Once you take that ground wire off, you got another bolt that's holding this whole thing. That is a 15mm that you can slide under here like that. And then you can use your ratchet right here, just kind of work your way around it. So I like to remove the top bolt first and then remove the 2 other bolts at the bottom. That way you can catch the starter when you remove the bottom bolts. Because if you remove the top the top last, then it'll fall. That's what the bolt looks like. All right, now we can go with the bottom. That. Don't ask me why I'm doing this at night. The top one is a 14. Where you going, socket? 14. See, you have enough room for a regular ratchet to remove that. Let me see if I can place the phone somewhere so I can use my other hand. So sorry, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, just remove the 14 nut, bolt, and then we try to switch the socket to 15 now. That's the last one that we gotta remove. Then the starter should come out now. Bottom 15. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just loosening the last bolt so we can pull out the starter. So bear with me 1 second. Okay, the bolt's out. That's the starter, and the starter should. All right, sorry about that. The phone cut off right when I was pulling out the starter, which is this. Anyway, it slides out once you remove all those 3 bolts, the top one and the 2 side ones. Yeah, it'll basically just slide out like this. And then you'll have this little almost like a metal gasket. Just make sure you put this back on with the new one. Yep, put the new one in, reverse order. Hook up your connectors, top bolt, 2 side bolts. Hook up your battery terminals. That's it. I hope this video helps you. Please click subscribe, click like in the video, share it.